Where's the hotel? Why does the fish have fins and legs? I'm dying. We're at hell right now. Boy, look at their feet.
Where?
Right there. And someone Oh my god.
Why are you picking 3? Yeah, why are we here?
Oh my god, Zach.
Oh, I forgot something.
Did you really?
Yeah.
What?
My common sense. What the am I doing here?
Where are we at?
We're at Buckeyes.
Buckeyes.
Hours later.
Boy, look at their feet.
Where?
Right there. And someone
Oh my god.
Boy,
Someone did a cut
Look.
right there.
someone's toes. Boy, why your toes all out? And it's on the window! You can see it's on the
Is this the Krusty Krab?
window.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
Ew.
A few moments later.
Hey, welcome to the La Quinta, which means the 5 in Spanish. So we're gonna be doing a hotel tour. Okay, so right here it is the entrance. This is the door, and then here is our closet, which is where we're putting our costumes right now. Right here is the bathroom. I just pooed. Yeah, that's our tub, and there's me. There's me in the mirror. Hey. You know, we got this oak tile flooring. It's not oak. Spring wood, spruce, acacia, whatever the freak. And then we step right in. This is our bedroom slash living room slash kitchen slash whatever you want it to be. Here's Jody. Swinging her feet, acting all cute, whoever she is. Watching her TikTok. Oh, there's a microwave.
You didn't know that?
Whoa, is there a fridge?
Bro, that's what the tour's for.
Bro, I didn't even know. Oh, hold on. No, we got our sanitizing stuff. You're lucky I blew brush. I could have farted on you right now. So here is our kitchen. Pans.
Kayla.
Ow!
Stop.
Okay, here's our microwave. Yeah, you know what it does, it microwaves. Here's a fridge, refrigerator, and fridges. Our TV, our hibachi,
So big.
teppanyaki.
So big. Show hand for scale. Hand for scale.
It's so big. It's like a 55.
Bro, why are your feet in the camera?
This is our 55-inch TV. Okay. flexing over here. Okay, and then we got our Picasso Mozart painting. Beethoven Star Night Farm, and our little desk where we're going to be doing work because we're here on a business trip actually, so we have meetings. And here's Hex feet. And then the view, and then there's Denny's. Yeah, we just ate there earlier.
Where's the waiter?
No, they're not there.
Right there.
Where?
Oh my gosh.
Oh shoot.
How long is their break?
Was she even working there?
So, we're gonna be just chilling until we have to get ready.
Should we play the game?
Oh yeah, we can.
No, I kind of want to shower.
Yeah,
first.
go shower.
I mean, I'm just gonna wash my body, of course. But peace out, Girl Scout.
Later.
So we just finished the performance. Where we at?
Here. We're at Gin.
What? Wave. Wave, Clee.
She said, wait, say it again.
I love you. I love you so much. I miss you.
Hi.
Oh, don't mind on that. Oh man, when I come back, I'm gonna give you 10 billion kisses.
Kissing you.
Mwah.
Dumb road dividers, piece of shit.
No, I don't make it. Like, sitting back.
Yeah, why are we here?
Oh my god, Zach.
Oh, I forgot something.
Did you really?
Yeah.
What?
Common sense. What the am I doing here?
I know, I was like, this looks so
I know, I was like, wait,
This isn't the hotel.
where's the hotel?
So I really liked the performance. I'd want to perform it again.
Zach, we got a whole nother 13 minutes.
I was like,
No, that was mad dumb.
So funny. Wait, it shows her face.
It's the fact that she says it like that.
Mirror, mirror on the wall.
You would imagine Cammy has an advantage because she might be able to use a pen.
I know.
I know.
Jody only gave me the
I'm so
iPad.
mad. I was like, how is y'all so detailed?
I'm about to go get it.
Oh, I'm gonna pee.
Oh shit, I'm supposed to be creating my champion.
A few moments later.
Yay! Yay! I knew it was that. What the freak? It's on 6 head. 5 head.
No, do the other one.
Positive Polly. Oh, Jody.
How did you guys know that was me? Oh my god, I feel like I'm hurt. Rated R.
Oh.
What the heck is that? Oh my god.
Oh.
Up next.
Oh my god. I hate who did this?
What? What the?
Steve.
Cammy, you're cheating.
I did not. I don't.
I'm not voting for you. I'm voting for Marshmallow.
I don't.
Are you calling me ghetto?
What will the traitors do?
He said, I'm going to rap.
Who put sound effects? Oh no.
Oh, I could have done on the wall. I could have done on the wall. Yeah.
In character.
Come on. Cloud gumbo.
Why does the fish have fins and legs?
It says mascot.
Oh my god, I'm so dead.
Champion of haunting your dreams tonight.
Keep it. I'm gonna...
Traitors.
It looks like Cleo.
Oh my god.
It's Cleo.
Oh my Kayla, who is that?
That was supposed to be an edge in the front. It looks like a 6 star.
That was like that XXX. Underwall.
Mirror, mirror.
Judges are counting the final score.
Look at my lip when it does that. I mean, look at my lip. Mirror, mirror.
Carrie? What? Ew.
Steven ear.
That's so ugly.
The next day.
Bro, pick a number. It works. Why are you picking 3, bro?
That's what I was saying.
I'm dying. We're at hell right now. because it's like 20 degrees. We're college juniors, I'm just kidding. We can't be in hell. This is happiness. This is happiness.
God, get that out of the video. I'm so cold.
Papa.
Hi.
Mama.
What's up?
Oh, my camera. I'm dying.
That's a long drive.
Yeah.
Oh, good thing I got it.
Cleo, what did they say?
I'm watching the how
Get that other napkin.
watching.
Because it's
Bye.
the one in the pantry.
What else did they say?